Good morning, class 10th students. Let us discuss about the topic land degradation and conservation from chapter number 1. In this video, we will try to understand what is land degradation, its causes, and possible solutions to stop land degradation. Land degradation is a situation where land will be unfit for agriculture and other useful activities because of various human action. There are several causes for land degradation like deforestation, overgrazing, mining, over-irrigation, quarrying, dumping of industrial waste and lots more. Let us discuss the causes one by one. First cause is deforestation. Deforestation, as we know, is cutting of trees on large scale or cutting of forest. And why these are cut? Because of our requirements for agriculture, for construction activities and other public utilities facilities. And we also know that the trees are very important because they will stop the soil erosion. So once trees are not there, the soil exposed will witness erosion and land will lose its fertility. Next problem is overgrazing, means too much eating of grass or small plants by the animals on limited piece of land. Why this problem is existing? Because as we know, our human population is increasing and we have even not only cut the forest but we have even grabbed the pastures, the lands which were actually meant for grazing of animals. So pasture lands or grasslands are limited in number, animals are more in number. We are also number one in cattle population around the world. So on limited piece of land, too much animals are eating grasses and land will hardly have the time to regrow or the grass will regrow naturally. And what happened is that the grass cover will permanently lose from such lands and land is exposed to erosion and hence it will witness land degradation. Mining is another factor. The mining industries are dumping lot of waste near the area and what result with that? That land near the mining areas are unfit for agriculture and human settlement. Over irrigation in the name of commercial farming, in the name of green revolution, has over the long process of time resulted into deposition of salt on the land and hence it is also a major cause for degrading the quality of land, especially in Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. Quarrying industry means the stone cutting industry like marble cutting can also be dangerous because their wastage are dumped here and there and they are making land unfit for cultivation and other utilities. Dumping of chemical waste, toxic waste, biodegradable, non-biodegradable waste and many things from the multiple industries have also polluted our land and in such cases lands are unfit for agriculture and other activities. Now these are the problems but the main thing is that can we wait for these causes to further increase the land degradation or shall we do some remedies, some solutions, some conservation activities to stop the available lands which will become further land degraded category. So let us talk about solution parts. The first part is afforestation. As we know, afforestation means planting of new trees. This is a very strong measures which are adopted around the world with plantation of more number of trees and as we know the trees will stop erosion of soil and hence land will maintain its quality. Overgrazing should be controlled. There should be proper policies from the government side that more number of lands should be available for animals so that overgrazing can be avoided, like in the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra also. Then varieties of wastelands because of various causes like deposition of salts or industrial waste or even dumping of garbage from our side also can be controlled, and if these things are managed, more lands can be used under good category. Mining should also be controlled. They should be expected to follow government rules and regulations. There should be proper policy for dumping of mining waste so that land can be saved. And most important is the industry. The industrial waste should not be dumped here and there. They should follow the proper policy and their waste should be dumped with government rules and regulation. So these things we discuss in this video. Thank you very much.